Welcome back to iTech Aspirant. In today's video, I'll show you how to create and delete an organizational unit using Server Manager in Windows Server. Let's get started. Things cover in this video. What an organization unit is. Create an organization unit using Server Manager. Attempt deletion. Manually remove protection via advanced features. Delete the OU successfully. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what an organization unit is. An organizational unit is a container with an Active Directory that helps you manage and organize users, groups, and computers in a structured way. For example, we can create OU for different departments like IT, HR, and finance, making it easier to apply policies and manage permissions. Now, let's move to the practical part and create an OU using Server Manager. In Windows Server, open Server Manager. In the top right corner, click Tools. Select Active Directory Users and Computers. Right-click on Domain Name. Click on New and select Organization Unit. Type the name for your OU. Check the Protect from Accidental Deletion option to prevent accidental removal. Click OK. Your organization unit is created. Right-click the OU and select Delete. Click Yes. A warning will appear. This object is protected from accidental deletion. The deletion will fail, showing that the protection feature is working. To delete this OU, we first need to remove this protection. Let's do that now. Select Active Directory Administrative Center from Tools. Double-click your domain name. Now find that organization unit. Right-click on it and select Properties. Uncheck the option Protect Object from Accidental Deletion. Click OK. Now that we've removed protection, let's delete the OU. Go back to Active Directory Users and Computer. Locate the OU. Right-click and select Delete. Confirm the deletion. And that's it. The organizational unit has been deleted successfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it useful. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.